Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome back to the lecture. In this lecture I am going to show you how to add transition to your video. So without any further delay, let's get started. At first I will import a video. To do that, hit on plus icon. Now pick your targeted video. Suppose this time I like this one, so select it and open it. At the same time I will take it into timeline. So I select it and drag and drop it into timeline. Now choose match to media. Now take decision why you want to add your transition. You may add a transition at the beginning of the video, or you may add at the end, or you may add anywhere, whatever you need. Suppose at first I want to add at the beginning. To add a transition, at first you have to go transition tab like this. I click on here. Now please see, there are bunch of transition available. You can pick any one as you need. Suppose this time I like this one. To add it at the beginning, just click here, then drag and drop it at the beginning like this. Look at it has been added. At the same time you can change transition time from here by dragging like this. Makes sense, huh? Okay, now I'll check it. So I'm playing the video. Alright, this time I will use this transition instead of this one. So I select it and drag and drop it here. Then again play. Can you see the difference, guys? Makes sense, huh? Think so. At the same time I want to add a transition at the end of the video. So I select this cursor and move it at the end like this. Now choose any transition whatever you need. Suppose this time I like this one. So I select it, then drag and drop it like this. Finally I want to add one more transition in this middle position. So I select cursor here, just hit on here. After that hit on split option. Yes, now the video has been split. Literally if you want to add a transition in your video besides at the beginning or at the end, that time at first you have to split it like this. Now we'll add a transition. Just follow me, guys. Suppose this time I like this one. So I select it and drag and drop it in the middle position. Okay, now we'll check our all transition effect. Simply follow carefully. I'm playing the video. Wow, it's working nicely. I think in this way you can simply add any transition whatever you need. Thank you very much for watching the video.